for making a great effort with rhyme writing. Fabulous work, Paris.
Yeah. Say good morning here, oi, Tita and Tito.
What?
Say good morning, Tita and Tito.
Yeah.
Good morning. It's Monday, and we're dropping Paris to her is that music class now?
Over here, I think.
Huh?
I think it's over here.
What is
Oh,
it?
if they say music room,
Yeah.
you have to go to the music room.
Ah, yeah.
If they say they're at the hall, you have to go to the hall downstairs where we're going to do something.
All right, you're gonna give Mama a hug now.
There's
in
just
there.
right in
Okay.
there.
I love you. You have a good day, okay? We'll see you this afternoon. Okay?
Okay, can you take me?
Of course. Morning, Miss Michelle. I just grabbed coffee for Daddy Mike. Actually, oat latte for him and hot chocolate for me. I'm home. So iniwan ko sa baby Celine kanina, guys, when I dropped Daddy Paris. Hi! What's that? A star! Come on, keep going. Because Mama's holding a coffee. Okay, you wanna hold Mama? Okay, pull Mama. Pull Mama. What is it? Madidi ka. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Very hot. Can you Mama blow? Can you blow? Sige, blow. Blow. More. Ay, nalangan. Okay. Hot? Is it hot? Okay, come on. Let's go. Sit. We'll go sit on the couch. Huh? And then you. Oh. Where is Leanie? Where is Leanie? Where is Leanie? Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Walang gan, Mama.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo, guys. It is now
Hi, guys.
1:40 in the afternoon and we're all dressed up. It's super, super exciting, guys. Actually,
Hi, guys.
naiyak ako kanina. Of course, naiyak na naman si mami niyo.
Hi guys.
So, Ate Paris at school. Dinap ko siya kanina, diba? So,
Hi guys.
Celine and Daddy Mike is not working today. And here, have a look. He had a haircut. Have a look, guys. What do you think? What do you think suits him better? Like the long hair or the short hair? Let us know in the comment section below.
What do you think, Mommy?
This looks really cool, actually. Like, he looks younger with the shorter hair.
Do I look 41?
Yeah, no. He's 41. My 41.
What up? Does my Lini look like Daddy?
Lini, look! Look! See?
Hi guys.
Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys.
Didi.
Mommy.
Hi, guys. Oh, boop, 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 boop. Okay, actually, pupunta tayo ngayon sa school ni Ate Paris, guys. So, normally, 3 o'clock matatapos yung school niya. But today, they're doing the assembly at 2:20 in the afternoon. And, super exciting, my God. You won't believe it. You'll be very, very proud of our Ate Paris, guys. So, this morning, we did receive an email. Yeah, I'll grab them.
You grab it?
Oh, bring the car key, Daddy. Car key, because the pram is in there. I'll just bring the whole thing then. So we did receive an email from Ate Paris's teacher. Asa na ba yun? Ayan. So sabi sa email, guys, good morning, Jovelyn and Michael. Great news. Paris will be receiving the Class Rise Award at today's assembly. I like to keep this a secret as it is a lovely surprise for the child when their name is called out. So this is for your information only. Assembly starts at 2:20 if you would like to attend. Parents seating is at the rear of the hall. Hindi na ako iyak ngayon kasi nakapag-makeup tayo. Alis tayo. Pero tulo talaga yung luha ko kanina, guys, nung binasa ko at first. So, yeah, I am super excited, of course, guys. Very proud ako as a mom na yung anak ko makakatanggap ng award. Dito tayo sa car, guys. Mag-moisturizer tayo kasi kita pa naman yung paa natin. Very dry. Buti na lang may ano ako dito. Uy, madilim. May belo ako dito sa sasakyan. Hindi na ako kailangan pumunta sa taas. Tabi naman tayo mamaya. Okay.
Are you getting upset?
Come on, we're going now.
Alright, we're going now. Maglalakad lang pala kami, guys. May time pa naman. Alam niyo naman kung gaano kalapit yung school dito. So, what do you think of our little Paris getting the award, Daddy?
It makes me very emotional.
Yeah. Proud?
Proud of my daughter, my eldest.
Yes.
She's one of God's good children. I love her very much.
Yeah. I'm super proud, guys.
She's probably got it for being the sweetest.
But
Why be
I think
one?
like the rice. What was the meaning of the rice again, Mom?
I don't know,
Respect.
integrity, selfless.
Effort. Something ganyan. So, hindi lang talaga siya pang-academic pa. Like, more on personality. Lydia? Yeah, attitude. And the personality, definitely, she got it from me.
She's like a good Samaritan, like a father.
Malapit na kami sa school, guys. And, alam niyo ba yung nakaka-excite sa akin is, hindi alam ni Ate Paris na makaka-receive siya ng award. So, yeah. So, Paris doesn't know, yeah? So, that's more exciting. Huh?
I'm just keep walking up a little bit first.
Yeah, because we have to go that way anyways.
Yeah, I know. Just walk up anyway. It's very early.
It starts at 2:20. What's the time now?
2 o'clock. I don't want to get there. I don't want to get there early because I'd rather get there like at 2:20. You know.
Okay.
I don't want to entertain this terror getting out and running around.
So, yun na nga. So, sa Ate Paris, kayo ng umaga, siya yung nagsabi na meron nga daw silang assembly this afternoon. Okay, shoes. And, in-explain niya sa akin kung ano yung assembly daw, guys. Yung Rice Award, ito ganyan. And, sabi niya, siguro hindi daw niya makukuha yung Rice Award, sabi niya. But, sabi din niya, oh, maybe next time, Mommy, I'll get it. Sabi niya sa akin ng umaga. She's got like zero idea na siya yung kukuha ng Rice Award.
I can't wait to see her funny face.
Yes. She's going to be like really surprised. You know, it's good. Yun nga yung sabi ng teacher sa kanyang email.
She's her face like.
Yeah. Para ma-surprise ng kid ba, tinawag yung pangalan niya. So, wala siyang kaalam-alam. But it's good, you know, it's a really good surprise. It's a sweet surprise for her. Like, kahit naman sino, like if you're sitting, you know, with lots of people, like other kids, and then, tawagin yung name mo kasi may award ka, hindi mo alam.
Trust me.
It's a very good feeling. Like, it will help with Ate Paris' self-esteem. You know?
Trust me, I know about these types of feelings because I used to win every award under the sun.
Good on you, Daddy.
Sounds like when Daddy's at work now, like every time there's a monthly award, who wins?
Daddy. That's right, though. Daddy always wins sa mga award na ganyan sa
Got
work.
it from her old man.
Boy, Bob, don't me. When I was in high school, like elementary and high school, I always win.
Spelling is
No, mostly yung high school ako, guys, yung mga sinasalihan ko is yung mga essay writing, yung mga ganun. Doon na nanalo si mom and you guys, yung mga essay writing.
mathematics.
Not so mathematics. It's my Waterloo.
Was that from
yeah.
that same teacher, the bully one?
But it's good. Huh? Yeah, no, not that one. That's elementary. Talking about high school kasi, yeah, it's very good feeling. Patawag, Jolene Essen, and that first place. Essay writing.
Did the elementary one give you anything
Ganito,
or not?
ganyan, huh?
Did the elementary one give you a award or not? Or just a kick in the ass?
Oh, the elementary one. You always, but not, we're more like spilling bee.
Just saying, like, is she strict?
Yeah, but doesn't mean that she won't give an award. Namit kasi ni Daddy Mike yung teacher ko when I was in grade 6, guys. Nung umuwi kami ng Pinas, we were in the same cafe. Tapos sinabi nga ng teacher ko sa kay Daddy Mike na ano daw, matalino daw ako. Na-inlove si Daddy Mike ng ubusan sa akin.
There's that.
Which one is it? Ne? Which one? Dito kami sa bakery, guys. Maaga pa kasi.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll just share with you. My munchkins! Ewan ko yum-yum sa tawag nila, hopefully.
Daddy.
Huh?
Mama.
Yes. Yes, Bob, get something for Celine, Bob.
Oh, what do you want?
What would you like, Anna? Which one? This one? This unicorn?
She likes the ice creams. Mellow cones. She likes it. Get two.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Can we get two of the mellow cones as well?
Yes, love. Tap, tap, tap.
Same's fine.
Tap, 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 tap. Pabili ni Daddy Mike. What's this one, Mom?
Rice pepper roll.
Rice pepper. Yum. Ito ba? Gusto ko i-try. First time ko. Sabi, yum-yum yung tawag. Hopefully, munchkin. Yes, princess. What is it? Daddy's getting one for you, okay?
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy's getting one.
Daddy.
Nah, that's it.
Oh, no, Daddy. She wants something else?
That's ours. Take that.
No? Which one? This one? A cupcake? Cupcake ba?
Let it go. Let it go. Fine.
Yes. Well, which one?
Nah, give it. Yay. Ice cream.
Yellow.
Ice cream.
Yellow. So we're not gonna eat? Okay. Alright, we're gonna go now, guys. Akala ko pa naman mag-stay kami kain dito eh. Ano bang oras na pa eh? 2:20 daw kasi mag-start. Ayaw namin very early. Ayaw din namin ma-late, of course. So, tama-tama lang.
We're not late. We'll just get our time.
Yeah. Gusto ko tuloy plan. Nini, are you happy with your mallow corn? Mayroong mahaba dito, guys. Oh, putulong.
Alright. Let's go.
Pa. Next time, okay? Gusto niya cupcake eh. Marunong nang pumili eh. Ano, paano kaya namin kainin na mag-push ng pram? Tira kami sa loob.
Okay, hold it. Hey.
I'm wondering where my parents is. For sure, nasa harapan. They'll be in the front, yeah. They'll be at the front.
Students and community members,
Please stand for the national anthem. The stage to present the RISE certificates. Congratulations to all the students who are about to receive RISE awards. Please wait until all certificates are handed out before applauding.
Okay, so I've got these in a mixed up order today, so make sure you're listening very carefully to your class. So starting with Mrs. Chatterton and Mrs. Eagle, making a great effort with rhyme writing. Fabulous work, Paris. And in PKM, we have Mia for respect. Mia, we are proud of the respect you always show in class and in the playground to your classmates.
Daddy, everybody.
And the last one is for Mrs. Boyle's class, which is for Mateo, for effort, for using interesting and engaging noun groups in your fantasy writing. Well done.
Daddy, I see you. I see.
Congratulations, everyone. Let's give them a round of applause.
No, she'll come soon. Hi, see?
Good job.
Well done! Ay, katapos lang ng assembly, guys. Yan, yung mga kids ay babalik pa sa kanilang classroom kasi it's only 2:40 something and 3 o'clock matatapos. Upo muna kami dito kasi kakain daw si Daddy Mike nung binili niya. So, ayun nga. Tumulo ang sipon ni Mami. Grabe guys. Uy, umiyak talaga ako ba? Kasi, look. Honey, are you very proud of Ate? Ate. Are you proud of Ate? Ate is back in the classroom. Ate!
Is that loving snack?
Yes. Have a look at her. I couldn't love her.
Stop.
Did you wave to everyone? Say hello. Say hello. Ate. Say hello. Have a look at this. Oh, let's get a chicken. Alright, the pork. And your dipping sauce. Oh. You want some now?
Hey, you.
What did you say? Maiw ka karon? Ah, congratulations, honey. Did you think it's gonna be you?
Yeah. I was thinking it all morning.
Huh?
I was thinking it all morning.
Were you what?
I was thinking about.
Oh, you were thinking all morning?
I was thinking it all morning.
Oh, oh, shush. Okay, hang on. Hang on.
Yeah.
This come true.
Your wish has come true.
Aww.
When I see them.
She said she was thinking all morning. Show me. Show me. Certificate of recognition presented to Paris Mackenzie for effort, for making great effort with rhyme writing. Fabulous work, Paris. It's so cool. Yeah, I'll take a photo of you, B. Feel when they called your name. Said from PBM class. It's certificate of recognition given to Paris Mackenzie. How did you feel then?
I feel like happy.
Happy?
Yeah. Happy crying.
Crying?
Happy crying.
Did you have like tears of joy?
No, I was just happy crying about tears.
You feeling good?
Come here, Lynn.
Yeah?
Come.
Yeah.
Turtle.
It says like rhyme writing. Did you do a rhyme writing, honey?
Not today, but it was from when we're doing writing.
Toilet.
I keep trying and listening, so I got this surprise.
Well,
Are you crying?
Yes.
Have you crying on me?
Bambi.
I was crying there when I was taking the video.
I seen you
Tato.
took the video
Yeah?
with your camera.
Yeah, I was crying.
I seen you crying.
You know why?
Because I got the surprise.
Go.
Yes. And I'm very proud of you. And you've done a great job.
Fly.
Well done, ate.
Wait, you are really crying now.
Yes. Lini.
Look at me. I got you.
We are now walking towards the post office. Dalahig si Daddy Mike. Eh. Sabi ko magsama tayong lahat. May post kasi ako guys, may nabenta ako sa isa sa eBay, scarf, tapos isang wallet sa Facebook Marketplace. So, ayan. Sumama yan siya kasi kanina sinabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko Daddy Mike, nung nagpa-haircut siya, sabi ko bilhan mo ako ng satchel para hindi na ako punta ng post office pa. Sumat ko na lang yung mga address. Ay, kinalimutan man kayo na excited na sa kanyang buhok. Time check guys, it's now 6 o'clock ng gabi. Dito kami sa bahay. Ayan, nag-relax kami nung uwi namin. So now I'm just getting dinner ready. So Daddy Mike's not feeling the best. Kaya siya nag-off today. And I'm gonna make some tea for him. And see kung ano to yan sa tonight.
So these are really cool. It's supposed to smell like butter. This one's supposed to smell like grape. And then my favorite, berry.
Cook. Minced chicken. Meron tayong
Some egg slime. It's really cool.
scotch.
And it's really
Mag-steak tayo.
fluffy slime, some clouds, some slime with things inside, some false slime, and then just some other regular
For hand, ikat ko muna ng baby silly grapes para maka-snack. Kasi kanina, nag-daddy guys at gusto na niya matulog. Sabi ko, wag muna kasi very early pa.
Then I got some really cool blue ones. Yeah, so we're gonna fit it in. Alright.
Anak! Ate! Where's your... Oh, give me the thing, be. I'll show tita dito. Your certificate, yeah. So, itong ano ni Ate Paris, yung certificate niya, guys. Siya lang pala talaga sa kanilang... Parang ano ba? Pag nag-graduate... Ay, hindi. Pag natapos na yung... Ano, kasi last week nila ngayon sa kanilang... Ano, semester. So, my term break ng 2 weeks. So, after this week, I holiday nila for 2 weeks. So, ayan. Aww. You happy?
Can I give me something special tonight?
Oh, sure, something tonight. You will have dinner. And we'll see if we have a treat somewhere, okay? How about you change your clothes now?
Can there be something to now?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut some grapes. Go. Change your shirt. Ayan. Presented to Paris Mackenzie for making a great effort with rhyme writing. Fabulous work, Paris. Sa kanyang, class, siya lang talaga, guys, ang meron lang. So, parang awarding ba pagkatapos ng school sa atin, di ba? Na, from grade 1 to, grade 6, ganyan, merong, silang first honor, ganyan. Pero sa kanila, wala silang ganito dito, guys. Mga mga awards, mga ganyan. Ayan. Very proud, Mama.